Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Kia Sorento key fob. For most modern Kia Sorento vehicles, programming a new key fob requires specialized tools and expertise. Unlike older models, these fobs are not typically programmable through simple DIY steps at home. You will need assistance from a professional to ensure proper functionality and security for your vehicle's entry system. This approach guarantees your new fob works correctly. Modern Kia Sorento key fobs integrate with complex vehicle security systems. These systems are designed to prevent theft and require specific diagnostic equipment to communicate with and program a new fob. This specialized software and hardware are usually only available to authorized dealerships or certified automotive locksmiths. Relying on professionals ensures secure pairing and maintains your vehicle's warranty and safety features. To get your key fob programmed, your best options are to contact a local Kia dealership or a certified automotive locksmith. When you reach out, be ready to provide your vehicle's vehicle identification number, or VIN, and details about your specific key fob. This information helps them confirm compatibility and prepare for the programming process efficiently, saving you time and potential hassle. Programming costs can vary, so it is wise to get quotes from a few different professionals before committing. The actual programming process typically takes between 30 minutes and 1 hour, depending on the complexity. Sometimes, purchasing the new key fob directly from the professional ensures it is fully compatible with their programming equipment, streamlining the entire procedure and offering peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.